how to make and create iPhone iOS home screen on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page. Click here on create a design and search for iOS. Click on iOS home screen and it will take you to this page. Now choose a template from here, for example this one. Now as you can see, it looks so professional, or this one, and you can edit it as you want. You have also this one, you can change the text, you can add your name or everything from here. As you can see, you can change the color. It's so professional. As you can see, you have many templates. After you finish editing your template, all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner here, click on share and download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.